Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a new money-making strategy that people worldwide have been making thousands of dollars on. I haven't talked about this technique on this channel before, so I'll be giving you a complete step-by-step tutorial to show you just how to replicate this money-making scheme. Don't worry, it's 100% legit, super simple, and does not require any hard skills. So make sure you stay on until the end so you can get started right after watching this video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If you are interested in this kind of content, then please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that we can let you know each time we post a new video. And with that said, let's get right into the tutorial. The first thing that I want you to do is to head over to this website called ft.com. This platform is a marketplace for domain names and people are making big money over here, guys. I mean, check these prices out. Domains can go for thousands and thousands of dollars, and in fact, there are even some domains out there that were purchased for millions of dollars. Insure.com was purchased for $16 million. Voice.com was purchased for $30 million. PrivateJet.com was purchased for $30.1 million. And Vacation Rentals for $35. Last but not the least, car insurance was purchased for a whopping $49.7 million. Yep. All those websites all went for a king's ransom each. And if you go back to the domains for sale on FT, you'll see that although they're much cheaper than the ones I just showed you, they still go for a pretty penny, with prices ranging anywhere from $1,000 to a few $1,000s. So a domain name is basically the name of your website, and if someone asks you how to find you or your business online, this is what you give them. Domain names are seen to be of the utmost importance because they give your business instant credibility, also making it conveniently easy to find and accessible online. With that said, let's start making money. On ft.com, you'll want to go to Start Selling, which is a button that you'll find on the upper right side of the website over here. You'll then need to fill out all of the information, including your credit card details. But not to worry, FT offers a 7-day free trial and you won't be charged for anything right away. There will be a small investment later on and I'll tell you about that in a bit, but for now, please stay with me and note that you won't be putting any money out up front, but rather giving away a portion of your profits. So after creating your account on FT, the next thing that you'll need to do would be to head on over to website number 2 for this strategy, and it's called justdropped.com. Registration here is quick and painless, and you can do so easily by entering in your preferred username, password, email address, alternate email address, and completing the CAPTCHA. That's it, you're in. So essentially, Just Dropped is a platform that sells deleted or expired domain names daily. The database on their website is updated regularly, and to check out what's currently available, you'll want to head on over to Daily Deals over here. As you can see, most of the domain names that they have on their list are pretty affordable, with prices that range from $79 to $150. And some of these are highly undervalued treasures worth thousands and thousands of dollars. I mean, if you've ever heard of people who've purchased items at a neighborhood garage sale or flea market only to later on find out that they've struck gold, well, this strategy is like an online version of that. If you remember a story from years back where a woman who had a painting that she'd purchased for $100 appraised, only to find out that it was an original by Hungarian-American painter Joseph Kleach, worth $500,000. And sometimes you might wonder why lucky strikes like these happen to others and not you. Well, with this strategy, you can play with Lady Luck and strike gold too. So how do you tell if you have a Joseph Cleach oil painting right in front of you, just waiting to be purchased? This is where website number 3 comes in, and that website is none other than GoDaddy.com. So on the GoDaddy website, you'll easily be able to evaluate domain names. You simply enter the domain names that you find on justdrop.com and enter them into GoDaddy's search bar to get an estimate of just how much that particular domain name is worth and can sell for. And on GoDaddy, it sells for 8 times as much, with an estimated value of 10 times more than its just dropped selling price. I hope you're seeing the big picture here, guys. We're not just talking about doubling or tripling your money, but getting it back tenfold. These are literally just like finding Joseph Cleach oil paintings. If you have time to do a little more research, then I do recommend that you visit a website like dnjournal.com, which will show you weekly domain sales reports, as well as an annual historical sales report. Doing this should help you get a grip on what the best-selling domain name extensions are and give you more confidence and familiarity in this new endeavor. After all, I did mention earlier that this strategy will entail you to make a small investment to make a profit. So after you've narrowed down which domains are worth the most, you can then go ahead and purchase them from JustDrop and then just post them for sale on FD.com. And while it's true that for this particular technique, you'll need to spend money to make money, you can always start small and then build as you sell more and get more comfortable and confident doing this. The returns are definitely worthwhile, and I urge you to keep your eyes peeled and just be on the lookout for the best deals and domain names that you can land. After all, the person who got the $500,000 Joseph Cleach oil painting also had to spend $100 on it first. Do leave us a comment below to let us know when you try this technique out and how that strategy works out for you. If you enjoyed today's content and found any value in it, then please do show us some love by smashing the like, subscribe, share, and notification bell below. Also, let us know what you want to see next, and we'd be more than happy to include it in our lineup. We also have a lot more content that you can binge watch, and I'll be leaving links to those for you right here. Alrighty then, take care guys, and I'll see you again next time.